This is the Poodle guy, and we're going to talk now about how to upgrade from the free trial. So the steps in the process are: first, log in at poodle.com/member. Then you'll choose your subscription type and how you want to pay for the subscription. And after you have purchased a subscription, you'll pick up your registration key from poodle.com/member, and you'll go to your Moodle site into the Poodle Filter General Settings area, and you'll paste the registration key into there. When you first created your free trial, you would have created an account on poodle.com, and you'll log into that account first at poodle.com/member to begin the process. If you've forgotten your password, you can get the password by clicking on the Forgot Password link, or just contact us here at poodle.com. After you have logged in, you should go to the pricing page on poodle.com, and from there you'll be able to choose from the two paid subscription types. There are the individual teacher type and the single institution type. In most cases you'll be choosing a single institution type. In the case where you have to pay for the subscription by yourself without the backing of a school or an organisation, then you'll choose the individual teacher type. You can choose to pay by credit card or to be sent an invoice. In both cases you will actually have the option to pay online. In the case of the invoice, of course, you can pass it on to the correct department and ask them to pay it for you later. Whether you choose by invoice or whether you choose to pay by credit card, as soon as you have gone through and completed that transaction, then your account is active and you can get started with Poodle right away. Once the transaction is complete, you should be able to pick up your new registration key at poodle.com/member. Check the expiry date on the new registration key or registration code, because sometimes it can take a few minutes for that to become available. Once it's available, you should copy that key, and we're going to use that on our Poodle Filter General Settings page. The Poodle Filter General Settings page is on your Moodle site, and from the Moodle menu you can access that at Site Administration, Plugins, Filters, Poodle, General Settings. At the top of the page you'll see a text area where you can paste in your registration key, and once you have saved that, you should see beneath the text area the new subscription type and the expiry date of that key. And then you're all ready to go. Your new Poodle subscription is activated and set up on your site.